Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Greg Jones, naturopathic physician and founder of Innovative Wellness Center here in Phoenix, Arizona. I specialize in regenerative and longevity medicine, and when it comes to healing from injuries, optimizing recovery, or bouncing back from surgery or overtraining, one of the most effective protocols we use here is what we call the Wolverine Stack. So here's what we're going to cover today. What exactly is in the Wolverine Stack? The healing benefits of the peptides in the stack, so that's BPC-157, thymosin beta-4, TB-500, and GHK-copper. We'll also cover why these peptides work better together than they do alone. So let's get into it. So this Wolverine stack has been gaining a lot of attention lately, and I want to talk about exactly, first off, what's in the Wolverine stack. The Wolverine stack is a combination of peptides designed to support soft tissue regeneration, wound healing, injury recovery, and overall structural repair. It includes three synergistic peptides: BPC-157, thymosin beta-4 or TB-500, and GHK-copper. Each one targets a different phase of the healing process, and together they create a multiplied effect, not just additive. So let's get into the healing benefits of the combo and break them down one by one. Starting with BPC-157, the tissue regenerator. So BPC-157 is derived from a protein or gastric juice and is known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and tissue repairing properties. So what does it do? It promotes angiogenesis, that's new blood vessel formation, it accelerates tendon and ligament healing, it reduces inflammation and pain at injury sites. And it's especially effective in localized soft tissue damage, think sprains, tendinopathy, post-surgical recovery. Next is thymosin beta-4 TB-500. That's the mobilizer. Thymosin beta-4 is a naturally occurring peptide in our thymus gland, and TB-500 is a synthetic analog optimized for clinical use. So how does thymosin beta-4 help? It mobilizes stem cells and repair factors to injury sites. It increases cell migration and differentiation. It boosts myosin and actin production, and these are essential for muscle fiber regeneration. And it also has systemic effects, helping repair multiple tissues at once. So TB4 or TB500 both excel in more extensive or systemic injuries such as chronic overuse, fibrosis, and when recovery is stalled. Next is GHK copper, the collagen builder and anti-inflammatory. GHK copper is a copper binding peptide that supports skin tissue and vascular remodeling. It has healing superpowers, so it stimulates collagen, elastin, and glycosaminoglycan synthesis, and that's going to help restore our extracellular matrix that is damaged with injuries. It reduces oxidative stress and inflammation. It also supports angiogenesis and nerve regrowth. GHK copper also helps remodel scar tissue and strengthens connective tissue. And GHK, last but not least, enhances structural integrity. Think post-surgical, skin damage, or connective tissue reinforcement. So why do they work so well together? Here's why this combo is greater than the sum of its parts. BPC-157 targets localized healing and reduces inflammation at injury sites. TB4 and TB500 amplify the body's systemic regenerative response, mobilizing healing growth factors to the injury site. GHK copper enhances collagen structure, vascular repair, and reduces long-term scar tissue. So they hit three major levels of repair: locally at the site with BPC, systemically with TB500, thymosin beta-4, and structural rebuilding with GHK copper. So here's an analogy to consider. Think about a building that had an explosion. BPC-157 are the EMTs and the first responders showing up to stabilize the scene. TB500 is a construction crew that's going to mobilize resources to start the rebuilding process, and GHK Copper as the architect rebuilding the foundation with stronger materials. So when do we use the Wolverine Stack? The Wolverine Stack is commonly used for soft tissue injuries that includes tendon, ligament, and muscle, for post-surgical healing, that's orthopedic, aesthetic, and dental. Also chronic overuse injuries, so rotator cuff injuries, Achilles injuries, meniscus tears. Post-laser, microneedling, and other cosmetic procedures, find the Wolverine Stack can be really helpful to speed that healing process up. It can also be great for athletes recovering from high-intensity training or minor injuries. Now, the protocols can vary, but most regimens run 4 to 8 weeks using subcutaneous or localized injections. So if this gave you a clearer understanding of how peptides can help you with recovery, performance, and healing, hit that like button. It really helps more people find this info. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more breakdowns like this. We're going to cover peptides, hormone optimization, and regenerative tools for longevity and healing. And if you know someone dealing with stubborn injuries, slow recovery, or chronic joint pain, share this video with them. It might be exactly what they need. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.